My name is Rapoya, Associate Professor, Government College for Women. So, continuation of this video, Electrochemistry 1, Paper 6, Session 4. So, Bangalore North University. Today's topic is causes for abnormal transport number and few problems. So, in this, what is the reason for abnormal transport numbers and problems? After this session, you have to know the causes for decreasing the transport number, that is abnormal transport number, and few problems. So before that, so you know meaning of transport number, formula for calculation of transport number, formula for calculation of molar conductance. So causes for abnormal transport number. So at higher concentration, the ion exists in complex ion and it migrates towards an anode in equal magnitude. For example, in the concentrated solution CdI2, if you go on adding 2I minus, that means concentration increases. No doubt it forms a complex ion. In this CdI4 2 minus is the complex ion. In dilute solution CdI2, it gives Cd plus dissociation takes place, it forming a simple ion. Thus, on passing electric current, the complex being negatively charged, these complex ion containing cadmium ions move towards the anode instead of cathode at higher concentration. The outward complex is negative, but in that complex cadmium is positive, so instead of moving cathode, it moves towards anode instead of cathode at higher concentration. Thereby, transport number of Cd ions becomes 0. Hence, it causes a abnormal transport number. Abnormal transport number observed in certain systems. So, in addition to this, another example in case of KCl, where transport number of cation is nearly equal to 0.5. Due to increase in concentration, its value does not change. So that means in case of KCl, potassium chloride, the transport number of K plus ion is equal to the transport number of Cl minus ion. So that is 0.5 and 0.5. Due to increase in the concentration, its value does not change. In case like HCl, where transport number of cation is greater than 0.5, that means half of the 0.5, due to increase in concentration, it actually decreases. Its value is gradually decreases. In case of lithium chloride, where transport number of cation is lesser than 0.5, that means less than 0.5, due to increase in concentration, its value gradually decreases. So in that simple problems, number 1, the limiting ionic conductance of ion is 5.03 in 10 to the power of minus 3 Simon mid square per mole. What is its ionic mobility? So for solution for this is ionic mobility of an ion. Ionic mobility Im, or you can say mu, is equal to formula is lambda infinity divided by Faraday. So lambda infinity as given, the limiting ionic current is 5.03 in 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 96,500. Its value is 5.20 into 10 to the power of minus 8 Simon mid square per concentration. So that is a simple problem. Two value as given, lambda infinity and F. Substitute and calculate ionic mobility. Second one is calculate specific conductance of a solution of an electrolyte having the resistance 220 ohms at 298 Kelvin. Given cell constant is 80 meter minus 1. So calculate the specific conductance. You know specific conductance K is equal to So there is a formula cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant is given, resistance is given. Cell constant is 80 and resistance is 220. So the answer is 0.3636. So that is the specific conductance, its units is Simon per meter. Next, another problem is the specific conductance of 0.1 molar solution of an electrolyte at a given temperature is 0.5092 Simon per meter. Calculate molar conductance. So, solution for this molar conductance, you know, mu is equal to K by C. Specific conductivity is given 0.5092 Simon meter minus 1 and its concentration is given 0.1 mole per dm cube. You have to convert this into mole per meter cube, So that is equal to 0.5092 Simon per meter minus 1 divided by 0.1 into 1000 or 10 to the power of 3 mole per meter cube. dm cube can be converted into mole per meter cube. So that is equal to 5.09 Simon meter square per mole. That is the unit of molar conductance. Number 4. Molar conductance of HCl at infinite dilution is 42.56 in 10 to the power of 3 Simon meter square per mole, and ionic conductance of H plus ion is 34.98 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Simon meter square per mole. Calculate the transport number of H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So you know the relation in the transport number and ionic mobility. Solution: transport number of H plus ion is equal to ionic mobility of H plus divided by lambda infinity at infinite dilution of HCl. Value of given ionic conductance of H plus is given, and ionic conductance at infinite dilution or is nothing but molar conductance at infinite dilution is given. So 34.98 in 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 42.56 in 10 to the power of minus 3 will get 0.8218. That is transport number of H plus ion. You know the transport number of H plus ion. So you can easily calculate transport number of Cl minus. That is the relation Ta plus Tc is equal to 1. Then here it is transport number of Cl minus ion is equal to 1 minus transport number of H plus. You know the transport number of H plus. Subtract 1 minus 0.82, that is equal to 0.178. For this, so what is the summary of this session is why the transport number is abnormal. So that means you have to explain clearly due to the complex formation at higher concentration and some simple problems. It is very important in the examination point. Next, I will give you some questions of the end of this session. So you know already transport number, abnormal transport number. Based on that, a few questions. In number 1, in some cases where transport number of cation is greater than 0.5 due to increase in the concentration, its value, that means transport number is greater than 0.5 due to increase in the concentration, what is its value? In this 4 options are given. A increases, B decreases, C both A and B, D none of these. So that means in some cases the transport number of cation is greater than 0.5 due to increase in the concentration, its value A is the correct answer, it is increases. Next, question number 2. In some cases where transport number of cation is less than the 0.5 due to increase in the concentration, its value. Here also given 4 answers. A is increases, B is decreases, C both A and B, D none of these. For this question, answer is B, it decreases. Question number 3. transport number of cation and anion are same, which can be used in the preparation of dash. So here also they are given four answers. First one is a battery, second one is fuel cell, number 3 is a salt bridge, D is none of these. In case of transport number of cation and anion, both are same, Ta is equal to Tc. So for this type of electrolytes can be used for the preparation of a salt bridge. That is C is the answer. That is a salt bridge. Transport number 4. Transport number of cation and anion are same. So transport number of Ta is equal to Tc. So which of the following electrolytes in this case? There are here also four answers are given. One is KCl, B is BaNO3, and C is CuSO4, and D is none of these. For this, transport number of cation and anion are same, that is Ta is equal to Tc. The electrolyte used here is A is the answer, KCl. Answer is KCl. Last question. Abnormal transport number is due to identify the formation. So already you have studied the causes for the abnormal transport number. We will give the four answers here. So due to the formation of number A is simple ions, and B is complex formation, C is both A and B, and D is none of the above. For this question number 5, abnormal transport number is used to identify. That means when there is a abnormal due to the complex formation. B is the correct answer. So for this session, I have given the following books for reference. So this is the end of the session 4. Thank you.